What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy recipe, not to mention delicious. And I got a good one for you today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Cajun beer battered fried crab legs. Yes, man, I'm telling you, you're gonna love this one. If you like beer battered, then you're definitely gonna love this one. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have here. Right here, I have some king crab legs right here. So I have about, let's see, this is about 2 pounds, a little bit over 2 pounds, like 2.25 pounds of king crab legs. We're gonna use some white all-purpose flour, some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Now, if you got some regular Cajun seasoning, that's fine, you can use that. We're gonna use onion powder, kosher salt. We're gonna use some beer. Now, you can get any type of beer you want. That's up to you. It could be a light beer or dark beer, it doesn't matter. Paprika, garlic salt. I'm gonna use some hot sauce. And any type of hot sauce of your preference. I'm using Zatarain's, but you can use Texas Pete and Frank's Red Hot Sauce. You can use that. And also we're gonna use some black pepper. So these are the ingredients, guys, so let's move on. All right, so here are the ingredients all measured out. Let me tell you what I have here. I have 1 cup of beer, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of that Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I have 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon and a half of black pepper, and the star of the show, our king crab legs, where the meat from the king crab legs. Guys, I didn't show you the process of how to get the meat out. I'm telling you, it was a headache. So these are the ingredients, guys. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to prepare our beer batter mix. So I'm just gonna start adding our ingredients. Here's our Cajun seasoning, the onion powder, the garlic salt. This is our hot sauce, the onion powder, kosher salt, black pepper, and our smoked paprika. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to give that a mix right here. Kind of get it all combined. And now what we're gonna do is add our beer. Just gonna pour a little of it in it right now. You don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too milky, kind of like a cake-like batter. If you gotta continue to add more beer in it, do so. All right, looks like I'm gonna add a little bit more beer to it. Yeah, see, we wanna get it a little bit more looser, because you want to get it to a consistency where you're able to dip your leg, your crab meat in there, and it coats it. All right, it looks like we're here. I think that's the consistency we want. We'll see. I'm gonna start with that. If I need to add a little bit more beer, I'll add it. But let's start by trying to drop our crab meat into it, to the batter. And I'm gonna bring this over here. Want to get as, try to get as much excess off of it. But you don't want to take too much off of it. Of course, you want that bad baby to be crispy. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and get these bad babies all battered up. And I think this is the right consistency what we're gonna use in terms of the batter. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I've already preheated my fryer to about 350 degrees. So I have my battered crab leg meat here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and drop these into the fryer, and we're gonna let them cook You don't want to overcrowd it. We may have to cook these bad babies in batches. I wish I could get them all in here. Let's see if I can get them. Yeah, because you don't want them to really stick together. Let's see if we can do it. All right, so let's go ahead and drop these babies in. And we're gonna let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's take a little peek at them. Ooh, we look how golden and crispy they are. Wow. We'll put them back down. We got about 2 more minutes. All right, guys, so we're 4 minutes in. Take a look at that right there. Oh my goodness. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get these bad babies onto a plate, and I'll be right back. But before I go, let's take a look at one of these things. Let's grab one of them. Grab this. Look at that. Oh yes. All right, I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Cajun beer battered fried king crab legs. Guys, what do you think about this recipe? I know you guys, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. I already can hear what you're saying. Yes, I'm telling you, this is delicious. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's an expensive recipe, but it is worth it. I'm telling you, this is a delicious recipe. So I put all the ingredients, measurements, links to the ingredients in the video description below, just in case you guys need them and you don't have them in your house at the moment. Also, guys, that All Wings Everything merch is down there too in that video description, so check it out. Guys, thanks for everybody that's been supporting the channel. And before I go, you already know we gotta do some quality control. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so you already know it's quality control time. So we're gonna go ahead and do this taste test. Take a look at that. Oh man. Oh, but I can't wait to bite into one of these things. So let me hold it up. Grab this. Man, look how crispy that is. Look at the zoom in. Oh wow. The seasoning is on point. That is good. Grab another one. Oh man. Y'all want to try this. Like I said, it's an expensive recipe, but it's well worth it. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.